Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. The Member of Parliament for Western St. Andrews says it is time for the state to prioritize the repair of the sandy gully. Dwayne Anderson reports.
The walls of the gully have now been breached, and the community residents are now living in fear for their lives and property.
MP for Western St. Andrew Anthony Hilton with a sobering warning about the sandy gully. The structure, Kingston's largest man-made gully, has fallen into disrepair. Damaged walls and a tattered bed, a common sight at various parts of the gully. The MP, as well as residents now in harm's way, want the gully fixed right now.
To date, neither the Prime Minister, his constituency adjoins my constituency, where the breaches occurred, nor the erstwhile Minister responsible for works has visited the area to appreciate the imminent danger faced by either communities should this danger not be averted forthwith. Madam Speaker, the response to my urgent plea on behalf of the residents has been that something will be done in the next budget.
Residents of New Haven, Seaview Gardens and surrounding areas are not the only ones who stand to lose. Commercial interests and the wider country should be concerned about the seeming neglect of the sandy gully.
The threat to our environment and the delicate ecosystem that is the Port of Kingston, the 7th deepest natural harbour in the world, and a national and global asset. An integral part of the port ecosystem is the Ounspe, into which several rivers and gullies flow, including the sandy gully.
But while they wait on the state to effect repairs, a partnership with overseas entities continues to reap rewards in terms of waste carried in the gully.
The Kingston Harbour Cleanup Project has prevented over 2.5 million kilograms of plastics and garbage from flowing into the harbour through a combination of beach cleanups, legacy waste removal, and cutting-edge waste trapping technology known as interceptors.
And he explains the near 2 years of work has shown encouraging results.
The fisher folk in Seaview Gardens are already reporting the return of baby shrimps and crabs not seen in quite some times in the mangroves. They are excited and hopeful.
The MP addressed the situation at the sandy gully during his contribution to the State of the Constituency debate in Gordon House this week. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.